The question word, what, is used to ask for information about someone or something. What do plus subject plus verb is used when the subject is I, you, we, they, or a plural noun. Examples. What do I have to do with this problem? What do I think about her opinion? What do you need for your project? What do you want for your birthday? What do we buy for our mom this Mother's Day? What do we eat for dinner? What do they do in their free time? What do they clean at home? What do the children study during their remedial classes? What do workers in ABC Company complain about? What does plus subject plus verb is used when the subject is he, she, it, or a singular noun. Examples. What does he want to do in life? What does he think he's doing? What does he write about? What does she paint? What does she talk about when she gives speeches? What does she watch in her free time? What does the helper do when her boss is not around? What does the dog feed on every day?